shooting star.
You be living your good life. Catch a glimpse from the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this.
This one I bet you really jabba. Me I no get time, da ba da. Dada cover my face, calling me da ba da. Biggie man we do get ba da. What's it gonna be? You are gone, all depending. They get them, ride the whip. I know we die for nothing. What's it gonna be? You are gone, all depending. They get them, ride the whip. I know we die for nothing. Make you no say anything when you do, they must commend it. So anything when you do, they try to do plenty survive. Just to make sure. But my people, they know that I know one die, I know one payment. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. What's it go? G-Wagon, all the Bentley. They get them, ride the whip. I know we die for nothing. What's it gonna be? G-Wagon.
The next day.
Lights, camera, action, baby. I want Chandrinah boots. All these niggas steady jocking cause they know I'm the truth. And I get it from my mammy, bar main, bust down. These hoes can't stand me. Currently working on a Grammy, meanwhile pussy popping with your man in Miami. Chanel's and pearls, that's the trick that it takes to keep the grub.
Oh, sorry. Alcohol. This is my baby girl, and she also has a channel, so make sure to follow her on her Instagram and her YouTube channel. Baby girl, shout out your channel so they know.
The Chronicles of Haiti, guys. It's that simple. She'll put the tag, she'll put the name, she'll put the Instagram, she'll put it all. Period. Mwah.
Wow.
Bye.
Bye. Yeah, so guys, we're about to start the party. As you've already seen, we're just waiting for more people to pull up. But yeah, we're too early, and it's good because some of us are always late. So I think 2024 is starting out.
I'm always late. I don't start parties. Why am I here so early? I'm mad, and it's my city. Kill me now. Hi. Kill me now.
Kill her. Yeah. She's such a vibe, girl. Yeah, anyways, we'll see. We're gonna wait it out and then you get busy. And your girl is on the road to 700 subs, so please make sure to subscribe. It's awkward that I'm talking alone, but yeah. Make sure to subscribe, guys. I am playing with y'all, like yo, don't want me to hit 700 subs, like what's up? So yeah, make sure to hit the subscribe button and yeah, comment in the comment section. Thank you.
Oh, Sal. You know how we do. Back.
to the yard and it came back fatter. She keep it 100, gotta throw a stack.
The next day.
I'm waiting for the sunset. Where are the people?
Several days later.
Hey fam, this is a new segment that I'll be calling Wildberries Reviews, where I will be showing you a few things that I buy off Wildberries. I'll share the links in the description, and yeah, you can go and check them out and buy. So the first thing I'd like to show you guys is this little thing. It's called a sink handle, where you place your sponges and your wire gauze. So basically this is how it comes. I don't know why it looks like that at the back, but yeah, it comes in two pieces. So I'll just wipe the surface of my sink to make sure there's no water there. Then it comes with a sticky mat that you actually place on the back of the holder, and then yeah, as you can see, I'm just sticking it on there, making sure, you know, I do it correctly. And yeah, once I'm done, the other side also has the sticky part, so I just take it off so that I can be able to stick it to the surface of the sink. There we go, sticky. Oh my goodness, why did I say it like that? Anyways, so we just go ahead and we stick it to the surface of the sink, and trust me, it held down real good because I've had this for quite a long time, and it actually works. So here I am putting the sponge there and also the wire gauze. I just was trying to find a proper way to put it because it didn't look cute at all. So there we go, I just fold it into half and put it there. So stubborn. Anyways, just give me a few minutes, guys. I swear I got this. And there we go, guys. This was absolutely amazing. I love it and it's helpful, so I'll give that a 9 out of 10. So our next item is this railing bar with some hooks. I particularly got this one for the bathroom. I will be using it as a dryer, so I use it to hang my panties, my sponge, bathing sponge, and also for the guys, you can hang your boxers. It's quite strong. So as you can see, I was just putting on the hooks that will be holding the stuff, and then you also have the sticky part that you stick to the wall. So I was just peeling off that little plastic so that I can stick it to the wall. Just make sure you position it correctly, guys. So voila, there you go. I love it. It works efficiently, so I also give it a 9 out of 10. Perfect. On to the next items. I got these glasses. They actually came in a set of 4, and I loved the quality and also the shape. So this, I actually give it 10 out of 10, definitely. Then, because me and my girls always like getting lit, I got these shot glasses. They're actually a set of 6, and the quality is amazing, but they're just a bit too long for me, so I rate them a 8.5 out of 10. Perfect. So that's it for the Wildberries reviews, guys. If you liked anything, you find the links in the description box below.
Can't ball in a life, man. Go on with it, go on with it. Do us. So we are coming here with a force. Yeah. Blessings we are reaping with voice in hand. So we the rise and boast. Yeah, we give thanks that we need it the most. We have to give thanks that we really supposed to be thankful. Blessings are coming like fun.
yeah, see me all dig it soon, get the iron ring like hello, brother. Say I saw ya, saw you post the spectacular photo. Keep it burning, yes, that's the motto. If you need a butter, pass through your soul. Yeah, man, and live, man. Me have to talk back for the dirty, the burning, the dust, for the plus. My gratitude is a must. Yeah, me see blessings for all of my burden. But I do it for the friends where they go. Me load one time, sit down in a class, so important. Only sit road and me go on with it, go on with it. That's what blessings upon me. And send me to tell them the story. That's what blessings upon me. And that's why I'm gonna give him the top of me. I'm with the light. You know, some person ignite.